Today, we're diving into a super handy Google Sheets skill, how to resize columns and rows. First up, let's talk about resizing columns. To adjust the width of a column, follow these steps. First, click on the lettered header of the column you want to resize. To select multiple columns, click and drag across the headers, or hold down the Shift key and click on the last column header that you would like to resize. Second, move your cursor to the right edge of the column header. You'll see a double-sided arrow cursor appear. Click and drag the edge to adjust the column width to your desired size. If you want the column to automatically adjust to fit its contents, double-click the right edge of the column header. Google Sheets will instantly resize the column to fit the longest entry. If you want to precisely resize the column, right-click the column and select Resize Columns in the prompt that comes up. Type in the column width you'd like in pixels. Now let's move on to rows. To adjust the height of a row, here's what you need to do. First, click on the numbered header of the row you want to resize. To select multiple rows, click and drag across the headers or hold down the Shift key and click on the last row header that you would like to resize. Second, move your cursor to the bottom edge of the row header. The cursor will change to a double-sided arrow. Click and drag to adjust the row height as needed. To have the row height automatically fit the content, double-click the bottom edge of the row header. Google Sheets will adjust the row height to match the tallest cell in that row. If you want to precisely resize the row, right-click the row and select Resize Rows in the prompt that comes up. Type in the row width you'd like in pixels. And that's it. Now you know how to resize columns and rows in Google Sheets to get your data looking just right. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on Google Sheets and beyond. Drop any questions or topics you want us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.